Tesla owners, brace yourselves. Today we're diving into the dark side of Tesla ownership, uncovering the hidden pitfalls that could send your beloved electric steed into a spiral of doom. If you want to avoid these catastrophic mistakes and keep your Tesla purring like a kitten, then buckle up, grab your Tesla survival kit, and get ready for a wild ride. Overcharging your Tesla might seem like a good idea, but it's like giving your car a sugar overdose. Exceeding the battery's sweet spot of 80 to 90% can lead to premature battery degradation, robbing your Tesla of its youthful vigor. And for those with LFP batteries, sticking to 100% daily charges is like pushing your luck at the roulette table. You might get away with it, but the odds are stacked against you. Letting your Tesla's battery drop to zero is akin to dancing with a mischievous devil. Keep the battery level above 20% to avoid sudden shutdowns and potential battery damage. Remember, charging your Tesla is like giving it a refreshing energy boost, so don't let it run on empty. Slamming your Tesla's trunk is like treating a ballet dancer like a rugby player. It's delicate, not robust. Handle it with care, following the Tesla's dance moves to avoid damaging the hinges and causing unsightly scratches and dents. Unlocking hidden features using shady third-party software is like using Pandora's box. Software updates might turn into a catastrophic battlefield, and your warranty might vanish like a ghost. Stick to official software updates to maintain your warranty's integrity, and avoid turning your Tesla into a rebellious teenager. While upgrading your suspension might sound tempting, it's like performing surgery without proper training. Weigh the pros and cons carefully, as altering the suspension could disrupt your warranty and lead to unexpected complications. Autopilot is a smooth and safe dance when used responsibly, but relying on third-party devices claiming to enhance it is like handing the controls to an inexperienced driver. Safety should always be your top priority, so stick to the official Autopilot system and avoid any risky experiments. Always keep your hands on the wheel and be ready to take over. Curbs are like sneaky villains lurking in the shadows, ready to inflict painful curb rash upon your Tesla's wheels. Navigate with awareness and precision to keep your wheels looking sharp and avoid costly repairs. While the manual door release is handy in emergencies, overuse is like forcing a ballerina to do gymnastics. Stick to the smooth transitions of the official door dance to avoid disrupting the delicate mechanism. When your Tesla needs a checkup, trust a certified expert who knows every nook and cranny. Straying from authorized technicians is like seeking medical advice from a fortune teller. It might sound intriguing, but the risks are high. While the idea of Tesla's powering homes is electrifying, it's still early stages of development. Tampering with the system now is like trying to unlock futuristic technology that hasn't yet been fully tested. Wait for Tesla's official implementation of this reverse charging feature before trying to do this yourself. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can keep your Tesla shining bright and prevent it from spiraling into a downward spiral of doom. Remember, your Tesla is an investment in your driving experience and your wallet. Treat it with care, and it will reward you with years of trouble-free motoring. Stay tuned for more Tesla tips and tricks. And if you're looking for a new Tesla, don't forget to use my referral code for special discounts. That link is right below the like button. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. Share this video with a friend, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. As always, see you in the next one.